This scenario happens time and time again. Your customer's vehicle runs over an object on the road, they puncture their tire, and now they're stranded on the highway, calling for help. Luckily, with their purchase of Continental tires, they may be covered for roadside assistance and even a free tire replacement. We'll find out why next. Your customers want that extra level of confidence that their tire investment will be protected no matter what they encounter on the road. And Continental's Total Confidence Plan is the answer. The Total Confidence Plan is Continental's protection plan that comes with the purchase of any Continental passenger or light truck tire. It includes 5 main elements. First, it offers a 60-day customer satisfaction trial, meaning if your customers aren't satisfied with their purchase, they can return their tires within 60 days for a different type of Continental tire. The plan also includes road hazard protection, which allows your customers to get a free tire replacement if anything happens to their tires during the first 230 seconds of tread wear or 12 months after purchase, whichever comes first. The plan also offers free flat tire assistance for up to 3 years, meaning if your customers get a flat, Continental takes care of replacing their tire free of charge. The Total Confidence Plan also covers towing a customer's vehicle up to 150 miles to the nearest tire shop. Finally, the Total Confidence Plan gives your customers who buy Continental tires the confidence of an 80,000-mile limited warranty on select replacement tires. For your customers to reap the benefits of Continental's Total Confidence Plan, register their tires at continentaltire.com/warranty. Additional qualifications may apply.